Surprise eh. There was no inclinations about getting traded. My focus on that, parang the build-up was yun na. One more run with, I think, we had a quarterfinals run with Terra Firma, parang what we wanted more. So, and nung Friday na nakakatawa na, because I received 2 calls eh. One call was, sinabi, uy, may narinig ka na ba? Wala, bakit? Basta, tapos binaba yung tawag. So parang, oh, what's this? Ano yung tawag to? Tapos, our liaison officer in Terra Firma called me. Sabi, oh, Ice, you don't have to go to the draft now on Sunday. Siyempre naman, parang, uy, di na pala kailangan mo ng draft. But really, those were the 2 calls I got on Friday and no inclination whatsoever. So, pagtapak ng Sunday, yung trainer ko pa, si Simple Grind, si Nicola Chua, nag-send pa sa akin, uy, congrats, na-trade ka. Wala ko narinig eh. Tapos pinadala niya yung PB article. So, syempre, the first thing that he was shocked is yun na, you're surprised with the move. But at the same time, yun na, parang, after yun na the initial shock, na-realize ko, damn, maglalo na ako for Ginebra. Parang, kumbaga, this is the franchise you wanna play for. And then, tinawagan ko si Stephen, tinawagan ko si Boss Ronald, Boss Bobby. And parang, yun na, nag-settle in, and then, naging sure na na-trade ako.
Kumusta naman yung transition mo sa Ginebra, especially with Coach Tim, triangle offense, yung mga ganun?
Hindi ko naman sinabi ni Stephen, pero siguro even for me na-overwhelm ako nung first week. Because yun na, pasok kami, wala kaming alam. And then, syempre yung mga veterano, alam na nila yung triangles, they have more experience with it. So yung first week talaga parang back to basics talaga kami. Parang we had to learn everything, all the basics. And first time ko masasabi sa career ko na habang natutulog, triangle pa rin iniisip ko. Triangle offense pa rin anong gagawin. Tapos, problema, yung triangle nagiging square, nagiging bilog. Sabi ko, ano na to, tulog moment, sabaw na. But malaking bagay, we have all the vets who help us because yun na, sila yung may experience eh. So, you can ask them questions, parang how certain actions go. But at the same time, yun na, you're excited. The important thing is you want to learn. Because syempre, Coach Tim yan, the winningest PBA head coach of all time. You don't get there without the work and without the knowledge and everything. So, very excited kami na yan. And very, medyo at least nag-settle down na yun na hindi na yung initial na brand na all information overload. Nagulat lahat, information overload.
Of course, you were also coached by Coach Top Basil. So, ano masabi mo na two of the top minds sa Philippine basketball ay duman na experience mo? Any similarities or differences?
Blessed na eh, because parang yun na, you don't, and when you go through a basketball career, usually coach naman, hindi parang sa NBA, you have your choice of it. Where only sa NBA, makita mo star players can dictate who your coach is and who do you want there. Sa PBA, here in the Philippines, you go to situations and you have to get lucky. So yun na, very blessed ako na two of the, as you said, greatest basketball minds in the Philippines right now, nakasama ko. And siguro yung isang similarity, there are some similarities. One is attention to detail, talagang to the most minute detail. Kung kahit yung mo 1 inch off lang, they'll point it out there. So shows how important every detail is, especially now, right in the triangle. Yun na, the spacing has to matter. And siguro the other thing is the love of the game. Parang when you talk to both of them, you can really sense that they really love basketball. Eat, sleep, breathe basketball na you can have a 2-hour conversation with either of them regarding any topic about basketball and you will enjoy that. Hindi yung parang napipilit na conversation, but you will really sit down and say, wow, parang dami kong natutunan within those 2 hours compared sa if I just went on of my own.
Let's talk about kasi I also asked Stephen about this na hypothetical question lang. Tingin mo ba kung nag-stay pa kayo ng medyo matagal-tagal yung grupo nyo with Wami and Lavi, maybe you could win championships?
Of course, and I think I think Ginebra is a great example. Yun na, when you have continuity, when you have players coming back in year out, just like sina Kuya Eli, sina Kuya Japet, they've been here for the longest time. With Arts, Scotty's, ilan years na si Scotty? 5, 7 years? I think. So parang yun na, if you have a lot of continuity, that helps eh. Yun na, yung squad namin yun na, we just started. So what more after we have 1, 2 years, 3 years under our belt, parang yun na, to fully get to know one another, to fully understand each other. Parang yun na, yun yung potential lang makita mo really if you put a team together and you allow them to grow together.
Close pa rin kayo ng group sa release dito.
Oh yeah. Nag-dinner na kami. And yun na, this parang it's really when you go through the PBA or basketball journey, very hard not to find people because yun na, trades, situations na other people go in and out for other reasons, sign with a different team, injury, retirement, parang a lot of things can happen So parang when you find a group of people, parang you've bonded, you've had a shared experience. Parang yun na, it's hard to find that in the PBA. Parang especially yun na, example, college, 5 years lang kayo magkakasama. Paminsan, every year, ibang team na yung nakasama mo. So, parang when we found that moment with each other, and parang yun na, we wanted to keep it alive. Even though yun na, we understand, different team na, baka magkakalaban, wherever we go, parang yun na, parang you have friendship and that's what you love. You love the people you meet in basketball. You create beyond basketball. Kahit retired na kayo, may anak na kayo, that's something parang you'll cherish forever.
Isaac, yung nawala si Stan na, do you think you will be more, you'll try to be more aggressive and try to fill that void, or you'll stay in your, be a star in your role?
Siguro yan, that's sakto na eh. I had a talk with Coach Tim this morning. Parang yun na, I've been feeling that I'm taking a lot of threes. Parang with what the situation is. Sabi niya, that's my specialty and he trusts my read. And siguro, I think malaking bagay yung sinabi ni Coach Tim is don't hunt your shot. Don't hunt for the opportunity. Let the offense do it for you. So, parang yun na, that's what the triangle is for. The triangle is designed to help us to get to spots. And then, yun na yung trabaho namin to read. So, siguro that will yet to be seen if pag nagkakataon, there will be opportunities for me to attack, or will it really be that my job in the offense is to be a ball mover, screener, get these guys open, hit open shots. Yet to be seen it. And syempre, we have Justin coming in. How is that going to affect the dynamic? Of course, yun na, Pinoy Jordan siya. So, how is it going to be like playing with him? So, yes, yun na. Open-ended question siya, and I also don't know the answer. It will just be fun to see when you watch the PBA.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh yan na, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan natin i-plug